Hello everyone and welcome to I Think It's Science. What we're going to do this week is we are going to demonstrate electrolysis through an experiment that is going to separate the hydrogen molecules and the oxygen molecules from H2O. So what we are going to do is we are going to use copper wire, a 9-volt battery, a cup of water, and I've been told this is a teaspoon of salt. Pure distilled water is not dissolved in any minerals, minerals aren't dissolved in it at all, so it does not conduct electricity. However, we're using tap water, which minerals are dissolved in, and so it does conduct electricity. Well, the more minerals you put in the tap water, the stronger the conduction will be. So we're going to put some iodized salt in the tap water and stir it in so that it conducts electricity. So we're going to put the 2 copper wires in the 9-volt battery, and you're going to see what's going to happen on the outside, but on the inside, let me explain what's happening. So on this 9-volt battery, we have a positively charged electrode called the anode, and a negatively charged electrode called the cathode. So positive and negative. So when we put the copper wires in their respective electrodes, what's going to happen is the positively charged parts are going to go over to the negative electrode, combine with the electrons, and become neutral. Then the negatively charged parts are going to go over to the positively charged electrode, and they're going to give off their electrons that will make bubbles come out of the copper wire, and it's going to start separating the H2O into its diatomic molecules. So let's actually carry out the experiment now.
It's a little tablespoon.
What? What's wrong with what I'm doing? Oh snap. Okay. It seems like enough iodized salt. Stir it in. Alright, and now it looks like something you would never want to drink in your life. So as you can see, this water is dissolved in the minerals of iodized salt. And it will make it easier to conduct electricity. So, copper wire is inserted into the 9-volt battery. Let's get it in the water and see what it does. Bubbles. Classic. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get a match and we're going to strike it over the bubbles and it's going to start crackling because hydrogen is also flammable. That's so cool. Well, it is crackling. Mm-hmm. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was electrolysis, a very big word that you can look up and write up a 200-word report if you want to. And this is I Think It's Science. See you guys next week.